There are some big revelations in the Rania Rao gold smuggling case. According to the information accessed by India Today, actor Rania Rao confessed that she used crepe bandages and tissues to hide 14.2 kgs of gold at Dubai airport. Rania also revealed that she learned to do so by watching videos on YouTube. Rania also stated that an unknown man gave her gold in Dubai after security checks. She used to receive calls from an unknown number who had an African-American accent. Rania added that she was asked to deliver gold to an unknown man in an auto rickshaw. Constable Basavaraj, who used to help Rania to avoid security checks, also informed the DRI that he did so as he received orders from Rania's father, Ramchandra Rao, who holds a DGP rank in Karnataka Police. Now, mysterious Dubai handlers and VVIP links emerge in Karnataka smuggling case. 27 trips, but Rania claims clean past. ED, CBI and DRI heat on smuggler Rania. 15-hour ED raid at Rania's residence. Here's more.
The Karnataka gold smuggling probe gets bigger. After the CBI and the DRI, the ED has now launched a probe. The central agency raided actor Rania Rao's Bengaluru residences. In her statement during her interrogation, sources say Rania Rao reveals that she received calls from foreign numbers but was unsure who called her. She claims the caller had an African-American accent and that she never met or saw him again after he handed the gold to her at the airport. Rania described the supplier as 6 feet tall, fair-skinned man who instructed her to collect the gold at the Dubai airport and deliver it to Bengaluru. Rania also claims that was her first time smuggling gold from Dubai to Bengaluru. The actor remains tight-lipped on the identity of the caller and the receiver of the gold bars. When questioned about the recipient of gold, Rania Rao claims she was instructed to deliver to an unknown person and put the gold in an auto rickshaw near the airport service road. The actor also claims that the auto rickshaws driver's contact number was not given to her. More information about how Rania smuggled gold. She allegedly used bandages and tissues to conceal 17 gold bars which weighed 14 kilograms. In a fresh twist, a Karnataka police personnel confessed that Rania's stepfather, DGP Ramchandra Rao, allegedly asked him to assist the actor at the airport multiple times. Meanwhile, the Karnataka government reversed its order on a CID probe against the role of police officials.
Well, the opposition only was going hammer and tongue saying that we are trying to scuttle the investigation and everything. Whatever it is, let it happen free and fair if they think so. We also run a quite a capable agency over here. And what all cases we have handed over to CBI, the CBI has always told that the state CID or the SITs have done a fabulous job.
Rania's high-profile connections have triggered a political blame game in Karnataka.
Maybe a BJP's link. It is not Congress link. Because there is nothing in that. No minister will be involved in any such type of scandals. My chief minister also has ordered some inquiry. I am sure, confident, this is a BJP game plan.
केंद्र सरकार ये तो क्या तरीका है, पहले ठीक तरह से इंक्वायरी करो और उनके किस ब्यूरोक्रेट से संबंध है, क्या क्या कर रहे हैं, वो सब इंक्वायरी करो, बाद में आपको बोलना है तो बोलो. अभी तो कुछ करते ही नहीं, इंक्वायरी नहीं करते, सबको बीजेपी बोलना, केंद्र सरकार बोलने में क्या मतलब है?
A multi-agency probe into the smuggling racket is underway. The focus is on tracking down the mastermind behind the smuggling racket. Bureau Report, India Today.